Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss the single answer for the story non-detail first year, intermediate first year for the current second year batch, old first year, third module non-detail story, The Medal. Okay, here we go now. The Medal by Bibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. Please look at the spelling of the word. It's difficult to spell this author's name. Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. So it was written by Bandyopadhyay. He was born in Bengal. Very old story. He spent his childhood in extreme poverty and he wrote in simple language. He won so many national and international awards also. He was a famous, celebrated Bengali writer. So the medal story is very interesting story. It's a very gripping story, very suspense thriller. So it's about a small medal. It's about a school teacher. Here the main character is Suren, a school teacher. So Suren is a school teacher. He works for primary school. One day he sees a big medal in the hands of Sudhir, a class 4 student. It is old and carefully designed. On one side, Queen Victoria imprint image is there. On the other side, it is written S.B. Parkins 1854, so 19th century medal. So in his village, he goes to meet his friend Vrindavan. Suren feels like showing it to his village elders. So he is carrying the medal to his village. There he goes to meet his friend Vrindavan. As he walks across the bridge, he feels a strong urge to jump into the river. He fails to understand the reason. At Vrindavan's house too, he feels like jumping off the terrace. That night at his own home in the village, he feels a pair of fierce eyes watching him all through the night. He couldn't sleep. That was not the first time. Every weekend he goes to his village from the workplace, but for the first time he is experiencing a strange feeling as if somebody is watching him through the window. The following morning, a village elder asks Suren some puzzling questions. On his way back to the railway station, Suren is terribly frightened by the branchless trunk of a tree. On Monday, Sudhir's grandfather tells Suren that the medal carries a curse with it and only Sudhir's family can withstand that power. Then Suren understood that it is not an ordinary medal. This is an extraordinary medal. Okay. Now, that's all about the story. Now we have four questions at the end of the story. Page number 106 in your textbook. First question is, what did Suren find in Sudhir's hands? Describe it in detail. And the second question, write in a paragraph Suren's experiences on his way to and at Vrindavan's house. Third one, how did Suren spend that night at his home in the village? Fourth one, what did Suren find out at Sudhir's home about the medal? So, how many questions? Four questions are there. For all the four questions, I introduce one single answer. This is the single answer for all paragraph questions. So, answer starts now. About the author, you can write the side headings also. You can use the side headings in this way. Without side heading also, you can write no problem. About the author, the story, The Medal was written by Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. He was a famous Bengali writer. He wrote in a simple language. Now, about the story. The Medal is a short story that fills the reader with a sense of fear and suspense. Its supernatural element is at once thrilling and chilling. Now, the topic, the real answer starts now. Suren, the narrator, is a school teacher. One day he sees a medal in class 4 student Sudhir's hands. It's a big, old, intricately engraved one. Suren feels like showing it to his village elders. In his village, he goes to meet his friend Vrindavan. As he crossing the river, he strongly and strangely too feels like jumping into the river. He fails to understand the reason. At Vrindavan's house too, he feels like jumping off the terrace. That night at his own home in the village, he feels a pair of fierce eyes watching him all through the night. He feels a strange, unpleasant smell filling the room. The following morning, a village elder asked Suren some puzzling questions. His name was Jeta Moshai. On his way back to the railway station, Suren is terribly frightened by the branchless trunk of a tree, and he was accompanied by a tall man. On Monday, Sudhir's grandfather tells Suren that the medal carries a curse with it, and only Sudhir's family can withstand that power. So people outside his family couldn't withstand the power. He gave an example also. So one of his relatives, he carried the medal forcibly, and that night only he jumped off the terrace and committed suicide. The medal was found in his pocket. Okay, so that is the answer for all the questions. So in this way, brief summary you can write for any kind of question. Okay, this is the single answer for the story, the medal. Okay, students, hope that you have enjoyed this video. So please keep watching my videos for many more updates and this kind of single answers, useful information also. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.